how to grow your NFT project on Twitter organically. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your NFT project on Twitter organically. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows that Twitter is a pretty essential tool for you to develop a name and grow your NFT projects, because Twitter is one of the most trendy platforms for people to actually talk about NFTs and, join the NFT community. The NFT community is most active on Twitter, so any other social media platform really does not rack up to Twitter other than TikTok. And NFTs are usually promoted a lot on Twitter, and you need to be in the loop and in the circle for you to begin promoting your own NFTs. Now, how do you actually start with promoting your NFTs on Twitter? So it's a very simple process for you to actually start developing a reputation or an account or a general know-how on the Twitter community. So what you're going to do is, first off, you're going to need to create a Twitter account. Everyone knows that. And then you're going to have to start interacting with different NFT influencers, you could say, or creators, or any kind of people that are in the NFT community, popular people in the NFT community. So you can see over here, I have my Twitter account, and what I basically just do on this account is I just follow different NFT related communities. I follow NFT artists. I take a look at, the different NFT networks. I like to follow creators and social media influencers too that talk about NFTs. So that's what you're going to do on your Twitter account as well. But how do you grow from there? Now, I would recommend that being active on Twitter is one of the most essential things you can do to grow your collection organically. So what this process really means is you need to be active on Twitter. So how can you be active on Twitter without having to, spend hours and hours on Twitter and browsing through Twitter posts and liking them and retweeting and commenting? Well, I do recommend that you go with a social media bot. Now, it's very essential that you're active, and you can only be active for so long. Like, you're going to do 1 or 2 organic tweets or tweet once or twice every day, but you can't like 50 posts in a row every day, and that's going to be taking a toll on you. So to promote your NFT collection, you need to interact with other people's NFTs and their collections, and the way that you're going to do that is by this social media bot. So I have a link for this bot in the description, and what you're just going to do is you're just going to click on add to Chrome over here, or you can just go to the Chrome app store or extension store, and then you can just download this social media bot. And this is a auto clicker grow bot. So what this basically does is this is going to automatically like posts, or it's going to automatically like a bunch of different NFT related content. It could retweet content depending on what you set up the program to do. And what we're just going to do is, once we have downloaded this social media bot, you're just going to go and you're going to go into your settings over here into your Chrome, and you're just going to search for extensions, and you can just go on to your extension settings. So after adding this bot to my Chrome, I'm just going to pin it over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on over here, and I'm going to log on to Twitter. So you're just going to click on the extension over here. You're going to log on to Twitter, and this will open up my Twitter account. And basically you're giving access for them to be able to like and automate a lot of functions that you do. So you can see now, once I have a link to my Twitter, you can do this with TikTok, SoundCloud, LinkedIn, and other social media profiles as well. And you're going to go into the options section, and you can see that there are many different options for you to choose from. Now, I would not recommend you change any of these. It's going to be a very difficult process for you to be able to accurately change. You're going to mess it up. Now, you can't increase these a little, but I would recommend that you don't do that. The reason for that is, if you increase the amount of likes or unlikes or reposts or unfollows or follows that you do, you can easily end up getting a soft ban from Twitter. A soft ban is like a 24-hour ban. So if Twitter detects that you're using a bot, and it realizes that you're using some kind of automated third-party application to like posts or, follow posts or follow people, then you're going to get soft banned, and this could result in a long-term ban as well. So I would not recommend that you increase these settings, but these settings are currently at the generic level, are set to look as normal as possible. So these look like a actual person is liking or reposting or following, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, you can also edit these settings a bit, so skip a few posts each time you leave a like. So I would recommend that you can skip 2 posts, or then you can skip a few retweets when it is automatically liking retweets, and skip a few people when you're following people. Now, I would recommend that before you do this on your actual NFT account, the actual account that you're using to promote your NFTs, or the actual collection account that you have, if you're running a Twitter account for the specific collection that you want to promote, then you do run it on like a dummy account or a bot account before you do that, and then move on to your actual account, because I don't want anyone to be messing up their actual account. Now, you can see over here I have a max clicks per session of 25, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on this over here. Now you can see it is automatically liking the posts, and I can just leave this, and I can leave it running for however long I want. I have this on the default setting, so it's a bit slow, but you can speed this up, but I wouldn't recommend it. This is like the genius part of this. I don't have to sit around liking Twitter posts about NFTs. I can just leave this, and then you're just going to click on stop, and this will stop liking posts. So you can do that with follows and retweets as well. And what you're actually going to do once you download this bot is you're just going to go into hashtag NFT. And you might be wondering, how does this promote your own NFT collection? Well, the more active you are on Twitter and the more you are interacting with other people, the more likely people are to interact with you. So if you're liking and following other people's stuff, they will in turn like and follow your stuff. And this will get you a nice little feedback loop of promoting your own NFTs by interacting with other people's NFT content. So now what I can do is I can just go on to retweet. So I can do this. I'm just going to click over here, and I'm going to do OK. And now this is going to start retweeting all the tweets that are in the hashtag NFT top section. You can even go into the latest section or people section, and you can even start following people. So you can see this process is like automated. You don't have to wait. You don't have to sit around. You can just leave this running for however long you want. And then this will count as your active time on Twitter. And people are going to be like, oh, this person is really interacting with the community. This is a person that is active in the community. And they will in turn, take a look at your account and follow you and see the NFT content that you're posting and promoting. Now, after that, you can also go into the people section of hashtag NFT. And what you can do with the bot is that you can click on follow over here, and you can just click on OK, and now you're going to start following all of these NFT accounts. And I do recommend that you do follow a bunch of NFT influencers, because that's going to give you a very large step ahead than the other people in the community, because you're going to be following so many people that are in the community, and you're going to be able to know what the latest trends are, what the community is looking for, and what kind of interest is currently building up in that community. And you can start promoting your NFTs in that way, and you're going to get the latest updates and the latest strategies for you to apply to your NFTs. So that was it for today. Now I'm just going to stop this over here, and I hope you guys now understand how you can organically grow your NFT collection and organically get a larger audience to view your collection using Twitter. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.